everyone, this is Manchi and I am a student of American Institute of English Language. Today I am feeling very blessed that I got the title of the Star of the Month in the recognition of overall performance. And this is all because of Atul sir and Team American who made me that much capable that I speak in front of everyone fluently. When I joined American, I couldn't speak very well. I couldn't have that much confidence to speak in front of everyone. But now, after 1 month, I can speak. I can speak fluently, as you can see. And American is the best platform to learning English because the teaching way of is very different. Before joining American, I thought English is all of depend on grammar, but my thoughts are changed now. It is not that way. It is very different. It is very easy to learn English in American here. So I request you to join American and learn English fluently. Thank you so much for listening to me.
I am Vishal. I am the student of American Institute of Language, and today I am very happy to get my star of the month because I am not speaking English well before joining American, but that time I will star of the month. It is the best platform to learn English because of the teaching way of Atul sir is very different. Different means they not taught to me teach to me grammar, but they also teach me how to speak English without using grammar. And after that, I will speak English fluently, and I will try to speak English fluently because English is a global language, and they are help to me boost my confidence and help to me speaking in interview. And Atul sir also teach me the how to sit or properly and personality, how to express our expression in our interview. So that's why American is the best platform to learn English. American is not an institute, but it is one part of my life. That's me a very good student in our school life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ritesh. I am a student of American learning English language. I am very proud to this moment because I am star of the month. This credit goes to American team and Atul sir. Atul sir way of teaching is very fantastic. He give example for very different kind of things. Or you come to American, I think you come to American, you will definitely join American. American Institute is very fantastic institute. He did not example of grammar, but he give example generally, and you speak English, so you can join American.
Hello everyone, this is Anshika and I am a student of American Institute of English Language, and I would like to thanks to Atul sir and Gargi ma'am for giving me a wonderful opportunity. American is a very good platform for learn English language. American have many ways to learn English. American gives many opportunities to develop our personality and confidence. All credit goes to Atul sir and American team.
Today I am very happy because I am star of the month. First of all, I give thanks to Atul sir for giving me star of the month. Before joining American, I could not speak English and I could not imagine how can I speak English. But now I can speak English. After joining American, I got confidence, and way of teaching of Atul sir is excellent, and American is a good platform for English language. Thank you for listening to me.
Hello everyone, my name is Apik Kumar. I am a student of the American Institute. I am happy today because they have chosen me star of the month. I joined and before at 1 month I could not speak English, but now I can speak English.
Hello everyone, this is Lavi Kumar. I am a student of American Institute. I would like to thanks to Atul sir and American team. I joined American 1.5 month. 1.5 month. American is the best platform for English speaking and learning, and I have got a platform where I can expand my career, and thank you Atul sir, and thank you Gargi ma'am, and thank you American team. And today I am very happy because I am star of the month. And before American joined, I could not speak English, but now I can speak English. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you Atul sir.
Hello everyone, this is Rakhi. I am a student of American Institute of English Language. Today I am very happy because I am a star of the month. I would like to thanks to Atul sir and Gargi ma'am and American team. Before joining American, I could not speak English, but after joining American, I can speak English. Atul sir is a best teacher of English language. Thanks for listening to me. Bye.
Hello everyone, I am Irshad and I am a student of American Institute. Today I am very happy after receiving Star of the Month certificate on behalf of American Institute. There is my American Institute in Dhampur, where I learn English language. Today I want to tell you about myself. When I came here 2 months ago, then I didn't know anything about English language. But you can see my result is in front of you. Now I can speak English well. For this, first of all, I am thankful to God and Atul sir and Gargi ma'am. Atul sir is my favorite teacher of English language in India. He is a director of American Institute in Dhampur. He is the best trainer of English language in India. He runs American Institute in Dhampur. He works very hard for us to make learn English language.